Don't you want to create AWS account? Without AWS account, we cannot practice, right? Yeah. So AWS sign up. So in today's class, first of all, I'll tell how to create AWS account. Basically, I need to tell this on last class, but unfortunately, let's proceed for today's class. How to create the account. Guys, first of all, please sign up. Can you please sit here for a couple of minutes? I need some details from you. You can sit here. Okay, so how to create AWS means it is very easy. All of you know how to create Instagram accounts? Yes. If you know Instagram account creation, AWS is very easy for you. Okay, so let's open a new tab. First of all, open a new tab and type AWS free tier account. Okay. If you type AWS free tier account, you will get two things. First of all, sign in and sign up. What is the difference between sign in and sign up? Sign in means if you already have account, sign in. But if you are newly creating, it is sign up. So I'm clicking on this very first link. Click on dismiss. Sir, are you seeing create free account? Click on create free account. The moment if you click on create free account, so again click on create a new account. That's it. First of all, we need to give the username as well as email ID. Remember the email ID what you are providing now. Before for this email, we should not need to have any AWS account. Okay, can you please type here? Okay. Can you please check why? Because if you give the same email, it won't work. Or do you have any secondary email? You can tie with this it. Gmail. So next, give your account name. Click on verify your email. So the moment you click on verify your email, you are going to get one OTP. Like simply you can get 6-digit code. We need to enter it here. Guys, remember when you type this verify email, right? Sometimes email will go to your subscription, spam and junk as well. Okay. Don't keep checking only for the inbox. Go for the promotion, social, spam. Check these folders as well. Got it? Okay. Sometimes it will take even 5 minutes. If you see, it is taking, it will take at least 5 minutes to arrive. Okay. Can you open your spam or junk? Yeah. Exit. That means you need to give new email. Do you have secondary email? Yeah, try that one. Basically, for this user, we already have the AWS account there. So, no, click on back, not you. Yeah, here. That one, yeah. So now try to give a second email. Why? Because already we have AWS account for that email. So here we are going to create second account. And before that, how many are new for today's class? Day 1. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So now you will get one verification code. Try to enter the verification code there. Is that the mail? Can you give it to mails? This one, right? Okay. I think you got it now. No, not this one. Social, no, spam. No, it is not coming for your account actually. Same email. Can you please confirm? Sure. Yeah, but it is not coming for your account. Or you can use your friend's email as well. Yeah, tell me your mail. I'll create it for you. Z. Mm, mm, mm. Is it your mail? Okay, so after giving your email, we need to enter your AWS account, okay? Like account name. So now you'll get one verification code. Can you please check? Guys, already I said sometimes your verification mail is going to be on spam as well as junk folder as well. So we need to check all of the folders. And in very few occasions, you are going to wait at least 5 minutes to get this mail, okay? In some rare occasions. Can you please go for promotions? Click on promotions here. Social, go for social. No, social, yeah. Here, no. Spam and junk, click on spam. I'm resending the code one more time. Can you please check now? It will become. Can you give 2 minutes? Yeah. So I got the email from the AWS now. So I'm going to enter the code 2111195. Click on verify. The moment I click on verify, first of all, it is going to ask me the password. So you can enter your password. Excuse me. Anyone can come and enter your. So you can put your password for here. And one more thing, the password you are entering, right? You need to give one capital letter, one small letter, one character, as well as one number as well. So now confirm the password one more time. So it is your step number one. In step number one, what I'm going to provide? Username, email, and password. So now here in step number two, I'm going to ask you for the contact information. So I'm going to click on personal. I'm using for my personal. What is your full name? Sheikh Imrose. Next phone number. So select here India and give your original phone number. 793. So country I'm putting it as India. Address. Please type your address. Guys, please provide your valid details. Why? Because if you don't provide correct details, sometimes your account is not going to be created. So it will be on hold. We need to wait for at least 24 hours to 72 hours. That means it will take at least 3 days. So click on I understand and click on continue for step number 3. So in step number 1, I gave username, password and email. Step number 2, I give contact information. What I have given? So in step number 3, here we are going to provide the card information. So let me provide the card information. So I'll stop the screen for a few minutes. Why? Because these are some sensitive information, right? So for that purpose, I'm stopping the screen. 0533. అంతా కనపడినా కానీ సివి కనపడదు కదా. కనపడుతుందా సివి? రైట్. యా. And even if you type the same address, he will get the OTP, right? If he accepts, then only you can cut the amount. Okay. So PAN card here it is optional, guys. Okay. I have entered some information here. Don't worry, if this information is export, still he need to approve. Then only you can be able to create. So I provide the enter information here. So after that, PAN card, click on no, click on verify and continue. So now you are going to give 2 rupees for the AWS account. So AWS account is going to charge 2 rupees and again you will get the 2 rupees refund within 7 working days. Okay. So we'll get one OTP. Can you please check it? And again, I'm telling here, you need to enable international transaction. If there is no international transaction enabled, you cannot create the account. 1 second. 44. Fine. Click on next. So now it is checking whether this account is running or not. If this account is running, it's everything is fine. So this account is completely okay. So that means your international transaction is enabled. So now here click on verification code. So verification code I need to get for India country, right? So just give here India. India means here we need to select plus 91. Select plus 91. I think this one. And mobile number. 793. So now try to enter the captcha here. DDCC F6. Click on this. So now again you will get one verification code. Can you please tell me? Yeah, please. Click on identity verification. That's it, sir. Your AWS account is created. Okay. Nothing to worry. Again, this video is going to give for you free of cost, right? So place this video and try to create your AWS account. Is the code clear? Excuse me. Can you please confirm the code? 7267, right? Okay, fine. So now it is going to verify. So here KYC purpose, put it as optional, or you can put it as academic. That means like why you are choosing this one. I'm choosing for my academics field. Just go for others, or you can put it as individual as well. This option is not there previously, but recently AWS update this option. Sir, here coming to plans. How many plans we have? Support plan, basic basic support plan, developer support plan, business. But for our practice, we are going to create basic support. Why? Because if you try to create developer support, to create AWS account, you need to pay $29. How much? That means almost all how much in Indian rupees? Almost all 2.5K, right? So don't do the developer account. And if you opt for business account, they are going to charge $100. $100 means how much? 100 into 80. 8,000. Are we going to opt for a business, sir? No. If you try to create enterprise edition is going to charge $15,000. How much? So that means here we are going to proceed with the basic support only. Click on basic support. That's it. I mean, like you have some perks of choosing the enterprise and business model. For example, here which one I have chosen basic support, right? But if I choose business support, if I get any problem on my AWS account, AWS people will help me because I'm paying money for them, right? But in basic support, am I paying any money? That means will they support to us, sir? Clear now? That's it. So click on confirm to go aws.txt. So the moment select your role. So you can select as student. And here I am interested on DevOps. Sorry. Click on submit. The moment you click on submit, your AWS account is created. If you ask me to log in, click on sign into the console. Can you please tell me the email to log in? What's the email? No, you can tell from there. Huh? Yeah, please. ZO. Hmm. Hmm. Oh, password you need to give, na? Then you come. Why? Because if other people use your account, so you are going to get the bill. So don't do it. So please enter your password, Zomi. Enter. If I want, I can use your account later. Okay. Sir, if you see, is account created, sir, here. Okay. So now I'm on Zomi Shake account. So like this, you can create your AWS account. But remember, creating AWS account is not easy. Okay. Everything you need to provide is card details only, right? And still, if you get the any kind of issue or do you want any kind of help, please come to lab. In lab, we are there for you, right? So we will help you to create your AWS account. You fine, sir? So now in today's concept, like what I'm going to tell you is, and one more thing. For some people to work with AWS account, AWS will take 72 hours to create the account. Like not very rarely, but on occasional. If you don't provide the valid information, your account will be created, but it will take 72 hours to activate. How much time? So whatever the details you are providing, please provide the valid details. Clear for you? That's it. So now tell me how to create my server. Click on EC2. So after clicking on EC2, so here if you see complete sign up, it will come like this. Click on complete your AWS registration. I already done my registration, right? But still sometime it will take 24 hours to activate. How much time? So wait for 24 hours and here I'm going to for my account. So click on sign out. I'll open my account and I already have one AWS server running. So I'll use mine here. Yeah, please. Click on connect and example copy this from here. Sir, if you see already I have one running server, right? So I'm going to work with these servers. Sir, what is the command to delete the file, sir? rm star hyphen f. So let's proceed with our last class, 11 a.m. batch, right? So 10:45, 10:045. In last class, we have seen which commands? File command, right? So in today's class, I'm going to talk about VIM editor. What I'm going to talk about? Fresh concept. No need to have your previous class knowledge for this class. So please focus here what I'm explaining. Sir, what is the command to insert the content inside a file? Cat, no. Directly can you give cat greater than file1. So here I'm telling hi all. My name is Raham. I am teaching DevOps. I saved it. Sir, if you see that file, do I have mistakes or not, sir? Spelling mistakes. Now my question is, with the help of cat command, I can be able to insert the content, correct? Sir, if I want to edit that one, cat command will not work. Which command will not work? For that purpose, we are going to use editors. What we are going to use? Sir, in Linux, when we are talking about editors, we have a lot of types of editors. What is the purpose of using editors? To edit the files. When you talk about editors, there are a lot of types of editor. First one, the very famous and mostly used is VIM editor. Which one? Okay, don't call it as Vim. It's not Vim. We need to call it as VIM. We need to call it as, or shortcut you can use VI editor as well. Both are same. Second one is nano editor. Which one? But I'll prefer VIM. Why? Because the editor VIM will have a lot of advantages. Clear for you now? Okay. So here you need to understand 2 points. When you are working with VIM, there are 2 major node points you need to remember always on your brain. Sir, for example here, if I want to edit this file, The command is vi file1. What I have given? Sir, for example, here spelling of DevOps wrong or not, sir? If I want to insert the content, I need to press I. I need to press what? Small I. Currently, are you seeing insert mode here? Just give I here. Currently, are you seeing insert? The moment if you see insert here, you can directly write the content on my file. If you want to see, remove the content here, DevOps. And teaching spelling also wrong. TEACHING. Is it clear or not, sir? What is the command to insert the content? I to insert the content. See, if you want to insert the content, you need to go to insert mode. Which mode? What is the command to go to insert mode? I. Which one? Is it clear for you now? Okay, sir, fine. With the help of I can be able to insert the content. Huh? Okay, in that case, I need to scroll this one now. Give me 1 second. How about now? Fine. Okay, good. Sir, now if you go and see, am I able to modify my content or not, sir? Which key I need to give to insert the content? Which key I want to give to insert the content? Small I or capital I? Small I. If I want to write some content on my file, I need to give small I. That is insert mode. Sir, if you want to come out of insert mode, I need to give escape. What I need to give? To come out of insert mode. Insert mode. Sir, currently I am on which mode, sir, here? How to come out of insert mode? Do you have escape key on your keyboard? Very first key. Type escape. Is it came out or not, sir? Then if I want to save, the command is : W for save, Q for quit. Quite not quit. Q for what it is? Quit. Hit enter. Sir, now content modified or not, sir? If you want me to show cat file1, is my content modified or not? My content modified? How I have modified my content? That means editor. By using VIM editor. By using what? By using VIM editor, we can able to edit our files. Okay, clear, fine. Sir, now next year, coming to basically when we are working with VIM editor, sliding left side, okay. How about now? Fine. Sir, when we are talking about VIM editor, majorly there are 3 modes. How many modes? Basically, if you want to learn something, we need to come from top to bottom or bottom to top. Top to bottom. But this is going to be from bottom to top. Okay. When we are talking about editor, how many modes we have? 3 modes. First one is command mode. Which mode? Second one, insert mode. Third one, save mode. Okay. So first of all, here I am going to teach you save mode. And one more thing, don't write the notes. You will get it right. I'll give some time. Sir, in save mode, for example, if you want to save the file, the command is :W. What it is? :W is to save. If I want to quit from the file, the command is :Q. :Q is to quit. Sir, if I want to save and quit at the same time, command is :WQ means save and quit. Is it clear, sir? For example, if I want to save and quit forcefully, we can add a symbol. I'll tell you the symbol. What it is called as? Which symbol is it? Can we call it as factorial as well? Same, right? Factorial also same symbol. Do you remember factorials? So the thing which we learned in our intermediate, right? I think so. Inter only na? Sure or not? I think all of you passed inter right here. I hope you passed. Okay, fine. Sir, W is to save the file. W is to what? Q is to quit the file. WQ means if I give WQ factorial, it is going to do save and quit forcefully. Save and quit forcefully. So one more time, I'll tell you practically this. So remain here. So listen here, please. How to open a file in editor? That means VI. What is the name of the file? F tab. Tab means what? Autofilling, right? Hit enter. Sir, if I want to insert some content, I need to go to insert mode. Which key I want to press? Small I or caps I? Here, are you seeing insert now? No. But the moment if I give I here, am I seeing insert now? Just go and type here. Thanks for joining. Sir, now again, I want to come out of insert mode. Which key? I is to go to insert mode. Escape is to come out of insert mode. Sir, how to save the file? What is the command I have said here? Colon W. Colon W means to save the file. If I want to quit it, Q. WQ means save and quit at the same time. Hit enter. Give the command cat file1. Are you seeing my content or not, sir? Is it clear for all of you? Let's do it for third time. Again, you tell me the process. I want to modify the content inside file1. What is the command I want to give? VIM file1. F tab. Don't write the full file name. Okay. Hit enter. I want to insert the content. I. So you are seeing insert now. So type here. Just I'm typing DevOps one more time. Again, I want to save it. Save it. First of all, I need to go to escape. Escape means come out of insert mode. Then you colon W Q. What is the meaning of WQ? W for save, Q for quit. So this is the way how we are going to work with the save mode. Which mode, sir? Is it clear for all of you? Good. So now coming to the second mode here. Coming to the second mode, I'm going to talk about here insert mode. Which mode? Insert mode is very easy. Here you are going to learn some shortcuts actually. Already you know one thing. What is the command to go to insert? To insert command. Sir, for example, open the file VIM file1. Currently, what I'm doing is I'm copy pasting the lines. Okay, so just to select this one, copy and paste it. I'll tell you why I'm doing copy paste here. So now save the file and open the file VIM file1. Sir, for example, you are in the end of the line. Where you are on? I want to go to starting of the line. Where I want to go to? Sir, at that case, what I will do, I am going to press this side buttons or what, sir? Okay. For example, let's take I'm on starting of the line. I want to go to ending of the line. Or I'm on ending of the line. I want to go to starting of the line. At that case, what you are going to do is, if you want to go to end of the line, give capital A. What I'm going to give? Currently, where you are on? Have I gone to ending of the line? How I have gone, sir? Capital A. So if I give capital A, it will go to end of line. Sir, again, currently you are on ending of the line. Which line? I want to go to starting of the line. The command is capital I. Which command? But if you type capital I, it is going to print capital I. Why? Because you are on which mode? You need to come out of insert mode. Which key? You have that clarity, right? Currently you are on end of the line. Which line? I want to go to starting. Capital I. You come to starting or not, sir? Then again I want to go to end of the line. If I give capital A, what will happen? It will be printed. Why? Because you are on insert mode. So just to give escape and give capital A. And again, I want to go to starting of the line. Capital escape, capital I. Is it coming or not, sir? That means do I need to do any manual work here? Like going like this? So it is the shortcut. Capital A is to go to end of the line. Capital I is to starting of the line. Clear, sir? Okay, fine. Sir, for example, currently, I want to create a new line. I want to create a new line. For example, if I give capital O, it is going to create a new line above the existing line. Have you seen new line here? One more time. I'll delete the line and let's do. Sir, I want to create a new line above the existing line. Where I want to create? Just to give capital. Currently, are you seeing new line here? So capital O creates new line above existing. Sorry, same again. If I want new line, but this time I want below the existing line, small o, just to give. Have you seen the new line? So if you want new line above, you need to give capital O. If you want new line below, we need to give, to create new line below existing. So how many comments I said here? 5 comments, right? So now tell me, what is the command to go to starting of the line? Huh? Capital I. Capital I. Okay. If you want to go to ending of the line, I want to insert the content. Small I. I want to create a new line below the existing line. Above the existing line. Have you got the clarity? Okay, now online guys, can you please confirm? Is it clear till now? Save mode and insert mode. I would like to get response from all of you, online people. Can you please confirm me till here? Is the concept clear for all of you? Okay. So seems it is clear for all of you. Thank you for responding. Sir, first of all, we seen the save mode. Which mode? Next we are seeing, finally I am gonna show you command mode. Which mode? The most interesting mode of all of this. Very interesting. Sir, if you see, currently I am on starting of the file. Where I am on? I want to go to ending of the file. Which command I want to use? Good. What I want to use? Are you sure? Huh? Can I log this? Huh? See, big boss, can I log this? No, right? Why? Because it is a wrong answer. Which answer? Sir, here capital A is to go to end of the line, sir. But what I asked to end of the file. Is end of the line and end of the file same, sir? Then it is wrong answer or not, sir? If you say this answer in interview, they won't correct like this. What you will think? Oh, I said the correct answer, I'll get the job. Correct or not? So remember, so when you are working with commands now, there will be some small difference for each command. Starting of the line and starting of the file. Both are different. Both are different means we need to use different commands or not, sir? So now I'll teach you. For example, currently I'm on starting of the line, right? I mean starting of the file. I want to go to ending of the line. Where I want to go to? For that purpose, I'll just copy paste these lines. Why? Because I need to show you some length on the files. Just I'm copy pasting it here. Sir, now you have a lot of lines or not, sir? Open the file freshly. Sir, currently I want starting of the file. Where I am on? I want to go to ending of the file. Sir, if I give down arrow, for example, if the file is having 1000 lines, how many lines? Am I going to give 1000 down arrows? If I do, what will happen, sir? Punyakalam purtaipotundi. Right? So in that case, what I'm gonna use is I'm gonna use the shortcuts. What I'm gonna use? The shortcut to go to end of the line is Shift G. Currently where I'm on? Where I'm on? Ending of the line, okay? So I'm on ending of the line, sir. Fine. What is the command to go to ending of the line? Shift G, small g only, okay? End of what? File, okay? Or simply you can call it as last line of the file, okay? Simply last line of file. Is it clear, sir? Sir, currently, again, 1000 lines you have one file. You want to go to top of the file, sir, but you currently were where on? End of the file. So in that case, I'm going to use shortcut called GG. Which one? Are you seeing this one? Small g only. Currently where I'm on? Top of the file. Where I'm on? Again, if I go to bottom of the file, command is Shift G is for bottom. GG is for? Are these both commands clear? Good. So if I give GG, it will go to start, like top of file. So if I give Shift G, it is going for the bottom of file. Are these two commands clear, sir? Fine. For example, sir, here I want to see the number of lines inside the file. How to see it? You said one command to go to top of the file. You said one command to go to bottom of the file. But I want to go to 500 line. In 1000 lines, which line I want to go to? Then how to do it? So, sorry. Yeah, tell me. Someone said it. Shivali, right? Who said that one? Okay, fine. If it is correct or not, I am here to correct you, right? Tell me whatever answer you know. Okay, I'll tell you. For example, first of all, let's see how many number of lines we have inside the file. What is the command we can use? Set number. What I can use? Just to give colon set number. Sir, is it printing number of lines inside the file, sir? What is the command here I use it? Colon set number. So just to give colon set number to show number of lines inside file. Clear, sir? Fine. Sir, now this time I want to go to top of the file means I need to give GG. Bottom of the file means currently where I'm on. I want to go to line number 11. Where I want to go to? Line number 11 means this or not, sir? Thanks for all joining. Just to give colon 11. What I am giving? The moment if I give colon 11, directly it is going to the line number 11. Currently where you were on? Line number? Sir, I want to go to line number 8. Command is colon 8. Sir, I want to go to line number 17. Colon. Are you inside 17? I want to go to line number 15. Colon. Sir, I want to go to line number 1. Colon 1 required. Colon 1 required, sir. We have GG right directly. So use GG for it. So just to give colon n. Here n means whatever you want. To go to specific line. Guys, that there n means how much you want. 10, 20, 30 like that. Okay. Sir, again, what is the command to go to top of a file? GG. To go to bottom of a file? To print the number of lines inside file. Colon set number. What is the command to go to specific line? Colon n. N means like which line number you want actually. If I give 12, I'll go to line number 12. Fine, sir. Okay, then fine. For example, I want to copy a line here. What I want to copy? Just go to top. Sir, are you seeing the very first line? I want to copy that complete line, sir. Basically, what we will do, we will copy like this, right? We'll copy like this, no? Don't do it. Simply, what I can do is YY. What I can do? If I give YY, the line is copied. The line is what? After copy, what is the next thing you will do? The command to paste is P. Is it pasted? Again, if I give one more time P, pasted or not, sir? Again, if I give one more time P, pasting or not? So, what is the key we are going to use for copy a line, sir? Wait, to copy a line. If I want to paste it, the command is P to paste. Okay, sir, fine. I want to delete the line. Command is DD. What is the command? Is it clear? Now again, I want to delete line number 3. DD. Gone or not, sir? The command to copy is YY. The command to paste. The command to delete. To delete. Okay, sir, fine. You shown me how to delete this. I want to undo it. What I want to do? Undo. Just to give you. Undo means last action came or not, sir? Undo means what? Last action. If I give Control R, it is going to redo. Undo means U. What is the meaning of undo? U. Redo means R, but we need to give Control R. What I need to give? So U for undo. Control R means. Can anyone tell me what is the meaning of undo and redo? For example, see, undo means, sir, here I am deleting the line number 3. What I am deleting? Unfortunately, I deleted it by mistake. I want to get it back. So I can use undo. What I can use? If you give U, again last line came or not, sir? Sir, unfortunately, again I undo. Unfortunately, again I undo. If I want to make it correct, I need to give redo. If I give Control R, what is the action going to happen? Tell me, sir. Redo means like what will happen? Line is going to delete again. Gone or not, sir? So this is the way how we can undo and redo. Clear, sir? Okay. Now my question is, sir, for example, if you want to delete a single line, what is the command, sir? I want to delete 10 lines, sir. How many lines I want to delete? If I give 10 DD, 10 lines gone or not, sir? How many lines gone? Again, if I want to get that line backs, U. Have I got? Sir, this time I want to delete 20 lines. How many lines? So just to give 20 DD. 20 lines gone or not, sir? Again, unfortunately, I have done it. I want to get them back. Which command I want to use? U. U means what? Clarify, you know, what is the meaning of undo and redo? See here. To copy the single line, we need to give YY. For if I want to copy 10 lines, just give 10 YY. That means it is going to copy 10 lines. How many lines? If I give P single time, it is going to paste one time. If I give 5 PP, how many times it is going to paste? Sir, if I give DD, it is going to delete single line. But if I want to delete 10 lines, I need to give to delete 10 lines. Clear, sir? Sir, for example, I want to search for a word. In this file, I have a word called Raham. What I have a word? How to search a word means just to give slash. What is the word name here? Are you seeing Raham in file here? Is it highlighting or not, sir? What is the command to search for a word? Slash word. Whatever the word you want to search. To search for a word. Again, we have a lot of commands on command mode, but here it is enough actually. Okay. Remaining upcoming commands, I'm gonna say on your next classes. But again, let's recall what are the commands we have on all of this. Sir, what is the purpose of using editors? To read the files. What are the types of editors we have? VIM and Nano. So we do not call it as Vim. Don't call it as Vim. That is wrong word actually. Sir, in VIM editor or VI editor, how many modes we have majorly? Like how many things we need to remember? 2 things. Like things I'm talking about, not modes. If I want to insert the content, I need to go to insert mode. What is the command? Small I. If I want to come out of insert mode, I need to give. Do you have clarity on this both? Great. Sir, how many modes we have, sir? What are those modes? Command mode, insert mode. What is the last mode? Save mode. In save mode, what is the command to save, sir? Colon W. What is the command to quit? Colon Q. What is the command to save and quit? Colon WQ. What is the command to save and quit forcefully? Colon WQ exclamatory. Is the save mode clear for all of you? Everyone? Great. And how many of you came for today's class newly? Like day one? 1, 2, 3. So I'm asking specifically you, is it clear for now? Forget about the last classes. Why? Because last class again we are going to provide backup for you. Just tell me, is the concept clear for here today? All of you. Good. Why? Because we don't have connection for last class and this class. It is separately new topic, right? That's it. Sir, what is your second mode? Insert mode. In insert mode, what is the key I want to press to go to insert mode? I. Okay, if I want to go to starting of the line, what is the command? Capital. If I want to go to ending of the file, Shift G. Okay. Starting of the line means capital I. Starting of the line. Ending of the line means. So confused. See, I'll tell you one thing. If you give me answer quickly, I won't give you job, right? When I'll give the job, if you give me correct answer only, na? So try to listen the question, take some time, and then try to answer. Okay? Sure? So from next, are you going to answer correctly? Damn sure. How many of you sure about this one? I'll ask you questions what you know, but definitely will tell wrong answers. Huh? How many of you have confidence on yourself? Raise your hands. It means remaining people are not believing on yourself. Okay, Acha, let's play a game in the meanwhile. Just only 1 minute game. All of you know calculations? So I'll give some time, some sum to calculate. Try to do it. Speedily into tell. 1000 plus 40 plus 2000 plus 30 plus 1000 plus 20 plus 1000 plus 10. Correct. 5090 plus 10, 6000. Hey, how many of you said 6000 here? That tell me. 50 to 70% here tell 6000. Correct or not, sir? All of you know additions. But what happened? So you are in a hurry to give the answer. You are in a hurry. So never hurry. Why I have done this activity means, see, in class, if you do something wrong, I'll correct, right? But in interview, are they going to correct? So this is the thing I want to teach you first. Never be hurry, okay? Even if not now, tomorrow you will get job, right? So listen to the question carefully and try to give the answer. Clear now? All of you? Still confident? Okay, fine. What is the command to go to starting of the file? GG. Ending of the file? Shift G. What is the command to give the number of lines inside a file? Set number. I want to go to line number 20. Colon 20. I want to go to line number 5. I want to go to line number 15. I want to go to line number 1. GG. Good now. Fine. Sir, what is the command to copy a single line, sir? Why? What is the command to print a line? P. If I want to print 10 times, 10 times P. So if I want to delete 20 lines, 20 DD. What is the command to undo? Command to redo? And what is the command to search? /word. So this is the commands that you need to know about editors. So one thing from all of you, are the commands clear for you now? Little bit loudly. Is it clear? Good. Now online, what about you? So here offline seems to be very energetic here. So they are very pretty much confident as well. I would like to get response from your end. So coming to these three modes, are you clear till now what I said? Can you please confirm me on chat once? Okay, seems everything is clear. Fine. Sir, next to make the heading as permissions. Permissions, file permissions. And one more comment. Sir, if I want to see number of lines, number of characters and number of words, what is the command? In last class I said you, sir. WC. It is the command which is going to show the complete information of a file. If I give WC file 1, how many number of lines I have? How many number of words? 667 means in characters we are also going to include space. Clear? Okay, fine. So now what the next thing is here? Sir, whenever you give LL, are you seeing RW, R hyphen hyphen, R hyphen hyphen? Are you seeing this one? Sir, what are those? Huh? Those are called as permissions. What we are going to call it as? In Linux, for file, we need to give some permissions. Okay. Why to give permission means whenever we are executing some scripts. So to execute a script, we definitely need to give permission for a file. So let's talk about the permissions of a file. It is very easy again. If you know calculations, additions, this is very easy. Real, it is very easy. If you know calculation, permission is very easy. Sir, coming to the permissions, basically how many types of permissions we have means 3 types of permissions. How many? First of all, are you seeing hyphen? Here, hyphen means type of file. Hyphen means type of file. Okay. Sir, how many types of files we have? Means first of all, we have regular file. If hyphen means regular file. If the file start with B, it is called as block code file. If file start with C, it is called as, if file start with D, then it is called as directory. Directory means folder. What is the meaning of directory? You can call it as directory or you can call it as directory. Again, I said, right, depending upon the accent, some voice is like some pronunciation is going to change. You can call it as directory or you can call it as directory. Both are same. What is the meaning of directory? It's a folder. What we are going to call it as folder. And again, if the file start with L, it is called as linked file. Which file? Link file we can call it as. Sir, how many type of files we have? 5. What are those? Regular file, block code file, character file, D for directory, and R for. Is it clear now? Okay, fine. After hyphen, are you seeing RW in this one? So this is called as permissions part. Which part? Sir, permissions are generally categorized into 3 types. How many types? First one is read permission. Read permission. Shortcut is R. Value is 4. Second one is write permission. Shortcut is W. And value is 2. Third one is executable permission. Shortcut is X and value is 1. So one more time. Sir, how many types of permissions we have? 5. No. File types are 5. Permissions are only. What is the first permission? Read permission. What is the value here? 4. What is the shortcut? R. Write permission? W. Value is 2. Executable permission? X. Value is. Sir, these are the 3 types of permission. Again, how many categories we have? Means we have here majorly 3 categories. How many categories? First one is user category. Sir, if you go and see, let me try to maximize this one. First 3 comes under user category. First 3 is going to come under So now tell me, what is the default permission for user, sir? Read plus write. What is the value? 6. That's it, sir. But again, are we having executable permission here? No, that means 0, right? 4 plus 2 plus 1, not 0. What is the value? 6. Fine. Again, second part is group part. Which part? For group, again, I am gonna give here R hyphen hyphen. That means which permission I have only? What is the value here? 4. Again, third one is others. For others also we are having R hyphen hyphen. What is the values are here? 4. Now see here, how many type of permissions we have? Type of permissions. 3. What are those? Read permission, write permission, executable. What is the value for read permission? What is the value for write permission? What is the value for executable? Clear now? And again, how many categories we have? 3. What are those? User category, group category, and others. By default, for every file, user will get read and write permission. Group will get read and only read. That's it. For others, only read option. Sir, for example, for the file one, I want to give full permissions for user. Full permission means read plus write plus executable. What is the value? Stay there. The command I am gonna use is chmod. What is the command to change the permission for a file? Ch. Some people will call it as chmod. Okay, it is not chmod. Why? Because while taking one interview, I asked the same question for one fresher. What is the command used to give permission for a file? He said chmod. Then I was thinking for a minute. Okay, chmod means, is it a new command? Okay, I need to search it on Google. Then I searched that same command came. Okay, we need to call it as chmod. Which command? Don't pronounce together. Okay, if you pronounce together, what will happen? Chmod will happen. What will happen? Okay, so the command is chmod. Sir, per user, I want to give read permission, write permission, executable. What is the value, sir? 7, right? Next category is group category. Na? For group, I want to give only read permission plus write permission. What is the value? 6. I don't want to give executable. So 0. Clear now? Third category is user done, group done. What is the third category? Sir, for others, I want to give read permission plus executable permission. What is the value? Read means 4. Executable means 4 plus 1, 5. And what is the file name? Sir, now if you compare here, 7 means read, write, executable. Are you seeing read, write, executable here for user? Clear? For group, I have given only read plus write. Read plus write means only 6. Are you seeing 6 here? For others, I am giving read plus executable. What is the value? Are you seeing my 5 here? So this is the way how you are going to give permission for the file. Is the concept clear for all of you? Again, one more time. Sir, what is the command to give permission for a user? chmod. I want to give read, write, executable for user. What is the value? Again, I want to give read, write, executable for group. What is the value? 7. For others, I want to give only read permission. What is the value for read? 4. And what is the name of the file? Now try to compare. Sir, first 3 are user part. User having read, write, executable or not, sir? Next 3 are group part. Group also having read, write, executable, sir. Next one is other is having only read permission. Which permission? So now this is the way how you are going to give permission for the file. Again, what is the command here? chmod. Sir, if you see here, apart from mathematical calculations, do we need to remember anything here? Only maths, right? You need to remember what is the value for read. What is the value for write? What is the value for? If you remember, is this going to be easy or not, sir? Then now tell me, is the permission part clear for all of you? Everyone? Fine. But it is first method only. I'll teach you one more method. Sir, for example, if you are not good at calculations, don't we have any alternative? Do we have or not? I'll teach you alternative. First command is chmod 777 and file1. Second command, again chmod. So now see, first command is numerical values. Which one? Numerical method. Second method is alphabetical method. Sir, how alphabetical method will work? Means command will be same. Whatever the command I use for the numerical method, alphabetical also same one. For example, for user, u is equal to, I want to give read plus write permissions. For user, what I am giving? I don't want to give executable, remove, comma. For group, I want to give read plus executable permission, comma. For others, I want to give read write executable. Clear? Give file name. Check it once. So if you go and see here, for user, read plus write permission. Correct or not, sir? For user, are you seeing only read write permission? For group, again I give read plus executable. Sir, for group, are you seeing only read plus executable, sir? For others, are you seeing full permission here? This is the second method. Second method clear for all of you? Again, one more time. chmod, sorry, someone is asking. Five only. It is number of characters actually. If you see WC of file 1, what is 667 here? Number of, even I was confused whether I gave the wrong command or what. No, it is actually the number of characters inside the file. Already we discussed on WC command, right? That's it. Forget about that one for a few minutes. Sir, now tell me, chmod, I want to give read write executable for user. How can I give it? U equal to read write executable, comma. For group, I want to give only executable permission, comma. For other, I want to give write permission only. W. What is the name of the file? Seeing it, sir? So if you see, user is equal to read write executable. Are you seeing read write executable here? Fine. Next three are group. For group, what I have given? Are you seeing only X here? Next one other. For other, what I have given here? Right. Have I given right, sir, here? So this is the way how we are going to give permissions for the file. How many ways I said to you? First one is numerical. Second one is, which one is easy? Numerical or alpha? How many of you say alphabetics? How many of you say numerics? If you think logically, sir, if I use numbers, simply I can finish it on 3 letters or not, sir? Simply I can finish, right? But if I use alphabetical, I need to give lot of lengthy things, right? So try to use numerical method. Why? Because it will save your time. But again, I am not against about alphabetical method. I'm just giving some suggestions to you. Okay, to save the time. Sir, third method also we have. Which method? Do you want to see what is third method? Or is it enough for today? Enough or not? Continue, eh? Good. Even if you ask me to stop, I'll tell this anyway. Okay. Sir, for example, if you see, I want to give read permission for all of these users. Currently, if you see, do you have read permission for others and groups, sir? No. chmod plus R. What I am giving? File1. Now, if you go and check for all of the users, like all of the parts, read permission came or not, sir? Initially, read permission is not for group. Are you seeing read permission now? Initially, there is no read permission for others, but are you seeing read permission now? Sir, I want to give executable permission for all the users. If you see, do I have executable permission for others here? But the moment if I give chmod plus X file1. Sir, for others, have I got the executable permission? Got it or not? One more time I will tell you. chmod 444 means what, sir? I am giving read, not write. Read permission only. Which one? For users, groups and others, I don't have write permission plus executable permission. But I want to give write permission for all of the users. chmod plus W. What is the name of the file? Is it given write permission for all of them, sir? No, but if I try to give executable permission, the moment if I try to give executable permission, it will apply. See. Sir, executable permission came or not, sir? But write permission came? No, that is the limitation of using symbols. Okay. Alphabetical and numerical are good, but when you use symbolic way, right? Write permission will not apply. Is it write permission applied there? That's the reason I haven't said you the command. So use alphabetical method or numerical method. Is it clear, sir? So in today's class, what we have seen? Permissions as well as we have seen editors. So one thing before wrapping the session. So is the class good for today? All of you. Loudly, bit loudly. Is the class good? Just give me that energy. Okay. So now all in guys, can you please confirm in today's class if you are having any doubts or queries, you can ask there. But before that, can you please confirm is the class clear for today? I would like to get response from all of you. Okay. So it is clear for all of them. Then, okay. So now online guys, if you are having any doubts or queries, or if you want to speak with me regarding this course or anything, you can raise your hands. I'm going to speak with you one by one. So initial demos, I haven't given unmute option. Why? Because initially there will be like 100+ people. If they all started asking the question, I won't get that much of time, right? But in our live classes, you are going to get the unmute option. Okay. If you are having any doubts or any queries, you can directly communicate with me. So first of all, I'm gonna give unmute option for Priyanka Chavan. Just give me 1 second. I'm gonna give unmute option for you. So Priyanka, you can speak now.
Hello.
Yeah. Hi, Priyanka.
Hi, sir. Hi, sir.
Yeah, hi.
Actually, sir, I have a Mac laptop.
Okay.
And I want to practice this queries on terminal, but I don't know how to.
Directly you can
open or
connect
get
to
the
browser,
terminal.
Priyanka. See, if you don't have terminal, it is absolutely fine. So here, are you seeing
Okay.
your server, right? If you go to here, are you seeing connect option? I'll show you one more time how to connect on browser. I already said.
You mean the account we have already created in AWS? We have to go in AWS and then we'll have to go to EC2 instance, is it?
Exactly, exactly. So the moment if you
Okay.
go to EC2 and are you seeing your server here, click on the server. Are you seeing connect option here? Click on connect. In the very first link here, are you seeing connect option one more time?
Yeah.
So now you can directly connect from here as well. No need to practice from terminals. Directly from browser also we can able to connect. Are you seeing Priyanka my screen?
Yeah. I can see.
Thank you. So next after you can speak now.
Yeah.
Aftab, are you there? Okay, I think he's not. Okay, so next go for Siraj Syed. Siraj, you can speak now.
Yeah, hello, sir.
Yeah, hi Siraj.
Yeah, we have different Linux platforms like Kali, Ubuntu. Like the same commands can be used there also.
Exactly. So if you run a command on Linux, that can be run on any other flavor, but you have some differences, some minimal differences. For example, in Amazon Linux, if I want to install package, I need to use yum install. But if it is Ubuntu, we need to type apt. Okay. Here we use systemctl command, but there we can use service command. So depending upon the type of flavor, Siraj, we are having minimal changes. I'll tell you in this course, I'm going to teach you Red Hat, Amazon Linux, as well as Ubuntu. 3 platforms we are going to cover, Siraj.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, fine. Thank you. So next, still any online guys, if you want to speak me, you can raise your hands. I'll give unmute option for you. Okay, so Sushmita, how to practice the class by ourselves like you are doing in the class? So I'm giving live notes for you, right? So take that live notes and practice. And if your registration is done, please contact your online mentors. Okay. So if you call to your admin, they are going to provide one online link. In that online link, you can connect with mentors and they are going to connect with 1:1. That means you and mentor will be there on that call. I hope it is clear for you, Sushmita. Please contact your admin. And I think your admin give the details here, contact number. Give me 1 second. I'm going to give one more time for you. So if you open the message for everyone, there I have given the admin details, and last class videos also we are going to provide. And one more thing is registration. So already it is which day of demo? Day 6, right? So already we done with 6 demos. So I will recommend you to everyone to go with the payments now. Once your payment is done, like you can get the Google Classroom from there. Whatever the notes I am giving, right? You can access direct notes from there. Clear? Okay. So Vinod, you can speak now, Vinod.
Yeah. Sir, when are we going to start actual DevOps tools?
So actual DevOps, I'm going to start from this Saturday. This Saturday, I'm going to start Git actually. Okay. From there, your actual DevOps will start. So I'll recommend everyone to come on Saturday's class. Why? Because all these are very basic stuff only for Linux. Without Linux, can we jump into DevOps? For that purpose, I have taught you the Linux, but from Monday, we are going to start the actual DevOps. Like not Monday, Saturday. I hope it is clear for you, Vinod.
Yes.
Yeah, clear. Akanksha, you can get the notes from Google Classroom, Akanksha. So for that purpose, please contact your admin. They are going to provide the Google Classroom link. Next, Vikram, you can speak now.
Hi, sir.
Yeah.
See, today is my first class. I have some questions. See, actually, my background is on testing side, and I have 6 years experience.
Can you speak a little bit louder, Vikram? I'm not getting your voice properly.
Yeah, actually, I am from testing background, 6 years, and now I'm trying to switch. So from the scratch, whatever you are teaching is enough, or apart from that, Linux or all those things, should I study?
Definitely, Vikram. Definitely. Why? Because see, whatever the content I'm gonna teach you, it's completely production level content. If you want to create one cluster, that will be production level cluster. If you want to create a pipeline, that will be production level of pipeline. If you want to run a playbook, even that is also going to be production level playbook. Here, if I teach you the basic content, right, you will not get any use of it, right?
Okay.
So this course is completely already said. How much of equivalent experience you can get? That's for damn sure. Why? Because it is proved here by one of the previous students. Like not one, few of them. So Vikram, what is the only thing you want to do is come to the class daily, practice the stuff, and daily I'm gonna give you tasks as well. Not from now. Once your actual DevOps is done, like once I'm entering into DevOps, daily I'm gonna give task for you, and weekly I'm gonna give assignments. To help with the tasks and assignments, I'm going to allocate mentors for you. Okay, but that is also I'm gonna start from Monday itself. Why? Because here I don't have clarity how much have you done with your registration. So for the registered people, we are going to provide mentor support for you. Hope it is clear for you, Vikram.
Yeah, one last question. See, I'll say a couple of tools which I wanted. So is that all covered or not? Can you just justify that's it?
Oh, what kind of tools those are? Tell me once, Vikram.
One is Linux, shell scripting, Git, Jenkins, Docker, Kubernetes, Ansible, Terraform.
That is completely going to cover. Like completely we are going to spend at least 10 hours on each tool. How many hours?
Okay.
But for Jenkins, it will take more than 10 hours. So in these 10 hours, completely I'm going for in-depth, starting from scratch to each and everything that I have mentioned on your syllabus copy there, right? I'm
Sorry,
gonna
I
show
did
you
not go
everything
through that.
theoretically and practically.
Yeah, sure. Fine. Thank you. That's it.
Yeah. Thank you, Vikram.
Thank
Great. So now still online. Any doubts or queries from your end? If you have, please unmute. Like, please raise your hands. I'll give unmute option for you. Hello, sir. After making an AWS account, will there be any issue like unexpected charges? No. Basically, how much you will use, that much of charge only you are going to pay. Clear?